We want to find out how fast can we actually wrap the door using color vinyl on this Model 3. Let's get right into it. All right, let's go. Timer start. All right, so I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a very bad multitasker. And when I mean very bad, I mean it. So I'm gonna try to talk, explain what I'm actually doing first, right? Because speed is good, but if it looks like shit, or bad, sorry, my language, that's not good. So that's not the goal. Speed is just one of the goal. Tape it down. Okay. I got this down right here. All right, I think I'm good. So I got enough coverage right here. I'm holding it down the center. And let's get right into it. I wish I had an extra hand, but that's the goal, right? Solo. So if you're wondering how I'm doing this, we scored it using our not so very cheap machine. That's the only way you can do it. Okay, first off, I'm gonna focus on all these edges right here. I got my squeegee right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and focus on kind of getting this line right here. Okay, I need to speed up. Part of this that makes it a little bit challenging sometimes is that the handles protrude a little bit more sometimes than others, and that can pose a challenge, but not today. So normally, we have this cut. So you can do it in sections, but I'm actually just gonna keep going. Okay. I think vinyl is more satisfying than PPF in some ways because it's a little bit smoother. And then you just kind of hold this. Okay. Just gonna keep going. And guys, this is gonna be from start to finish, meaning all trimming and all edge, all of that. Not some just laying it down. I think laying it down is actually the easy part. I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way down. Okay, get on the floor. And look at that. I feel pretty good about that. Oh man, I'm pretty sore right now. So you can see I'm still kind of creating some of this tension right here. And then I got this corner, perfect. All right, so next, hopefully. This is kind of a hard area. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this area. Oh, actually that's not that hard. I lied. That turned out a lot easier. So you notice I didn't take out the mirror because we got it aligned perfectly where it's just sitting right below that seal. And you don't even see it. It actually went underneath that. Look at that. Okay. Since I'm over around here, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Okay. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm probably not the fastest rapper, but I'm gonna try anyway. Doesn't mean I can't try, right? We're gonna go ahead and grab some of these that's sticking. Just make sure nothing is sticking. And while I'm doing this, I'm just making sure it's also all squeegeed. When you get down here, just slow down. Boom. Okay, we got it. Okay, so I got just this one area to do. So what I actually like to do at this point is I actually like to kind of get this edge first. You see this? Okay. We're gonna start getting the face of this edge with this squeegee. Looks really good. Now I can open up the whole door. Go from the inside. Once I'm in the inside, I can see all these little areas. 15 minutes to do a door. Not too bad. Was it the fastest ever in the history of doors? Probably not. I don't know. I feel like a lot of times people do the hood because the hood is so much easier. It's pretty flat. But I wanted to do a door because one, we have to do a door. But two, it's definitely a lot more challenging because you got all these edges right here you have to cut. You got all this, you got the door handle right here. I mean, just all these areas. So 15, I'll take that. So just like that, we're gonna go ahead and push this back in all the way. So once you open it from the top side, you have this line right here. I just want to clean that up real quick. Definitely could have done a little bit better there. But again, 15 minutes. Okay. And then look at this. Look how clean that is. Boom. All of this, you can show the edges right here. And even from the back side, it went right up to it. Kind of right to the mold line or the stamp line. The bottom looks really good. Right? Really happy about this line and all that stuff, and that looks really good. All the way across. That turned out pretty good as well. This corner right here. Right here, this is another area that can cause some issues. We had a relief cut right there. But yeah, 15 minutes on the door. Not too bad.